Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update landing pages using Unbounce conversion checklist step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Navigate to the landing pages section on your dashboard. Select the landing page you want to update from your list of pages. Review the current layout and design to identify areas that need improvement. Open the Unbounce page builder for the selected landing page. Check the headline for clarity and alignment with your campaign goal. Ensure the subheadings effectively support the main headline. Evaluate the call to action button. Make sure the wording is action-oriented and compelling. Verify the placement of the call to action to ensure visibility. Review the images or graphics on the page. Ensure they are relevant, high quality, and appealing to your target audience. Analyze the overall color scheme and fonts used throughout the page. Ensure they are consistent with your brand and easy to read. Review the text for conciseness and clarity. Remove any unnecessary jargon that may confuse visitors. Check for mobile responsiveness by previewing the page on different devices. Make necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless experience for mobile users. Add testimonials or trust signals if applicable. These elements can boost credibility and encourage conversions. Examine any forms on the page. Ensure they are simple and only ask for essential information. Implement A/B testing for different elements if possible. This allows for data-driven decisions about what works best. Preview your changes before publishing. Check for any errors or misalignments that need fixing. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your updates live. Monitor the performance of the updated landing page after publishing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.